If your business is running Google Ads, I can pretty much guarantee that over the last week, your inbox has been filled with this new feature which Google has released, which is called AI Max. Now, this is not a brand new feature, this functionality. People are talking about keywordless targeting inside of Google Ads. That's not a new functionality. We've had dynamic search campaigns inside of Google Ads for well over a decade now. Now, this is taking it a step further. Previously, dynamic search campaigns would only write your descriptions. Now AI Max can write your headlines. So what I would say, if you're a business and you're thinking about using AI Max, what I would say is this, is that when it comes to testing AI Max, I would throw it into a different campaign to start with. And because in AI Max, you can add in your negative keywords. So any of your high performing keywords that you've got in your existing search campaigns, add them as negatives. So that way you can really test and really see if AI Max can actually find some new potential business for you. These types of campaigns, dynamic search campaigns, when used well, can perform really, really well in finding new search trends. It's important to note that as of last year, I'm sure Google will give some new data on this, that up to 15% of all new search terms, users' search terms were new in that they'd never been searched before. So it's a really, really powerful tool. Other thing I would say as well is that if you're in a really, really defined niche, or you've got to have any regulations around the keywords that you can really target and your ad copy, AI Max is not for you. But for most e-commerce brands, for most service providers, this could potentially be a really, really good tool. But as I said, throw it into a different campaign. Make sure you've got the limitations there, that it's not going to be targeting what you're currently targeting in your search campaigns, and see if you can build some new business for you. If you had positive results with AI Max, why don't you drop a comment and let me know.